We are here to check out the Mitashi Gaming Thunderbolt 2. It comes with a dual-core processor. Preloaded games worth over 1000 rupees come in free with it from Electronic Arts and Disney. Wow, look at these games. Need for Speed, Toy Story, Smash It, The Game of Life, Hit Out Heroes, Cricket T20 Fever 3D Deluxe. And mind you, all these are full versions, not just the trial versions. So it comes fully loaded. But I mean, the first thing that comes to mind when I hold this lovely packaging, that it is so international. And wow, this looks so sleek. It looks just amazing. You flip it and you see all the lovely features that it has. It packs quite a punch, I must tell you. And it's transparent, you know. So you will be able to see the exact thing that you are buying and not just a picture of it. You will know how big it is, how it will feel when you hold it. Honestly, I can't wait. I can't wait any longer. Let's just open this box and see what it has for us. Okay, so we finally have the device in our hands. Like I said, this device looks pretty nice, very sturdy. I like the contours of the device, you know, helps me put my fingers right on the lovely trigger buttons you have here. Let's see what we have in store. So on the top we have the power button, start, select. So there's a earphone jack here. I could easily plug these earphones in and play my games at full volume without disturbing anybody around. And then there's of course the USB charging slot. The battery life is pretty good, by the way. I tested it. And here's the magic trick they have, the HDMI slot. So if you think that this 5-inch LCD screen is not big enough for you, just put an HDMI cable here and voila, you have your games on your smart TV. And wow, it looks and it feels fantastic. Along with the two trigger buttons, it's got a volume rocker over here, and over here there's another small bunny in the hat. You see this? This is the Wi-Fi rocker. So this is not just a gaming console. Using Wi-Fi, you could use all the features that you use on your smartphone. And over here is the mic slot. And of course, there is the micro SD card slot. This device comes in with an inbuilt memory of 8 GB, and using this micro SD card slot, you could increase it by another whopping 32 GB. So there's a lot of space here to store the wonderful applications, videos and games that you need. So on the go, let's start it. There we go. This device is powered by Android Jelly Bean. So you have a huge number of applications and games that you can download. As you can see, it already comes with a few games pre-stored. It's got Angry Birds, yes, the age-old favorite. It never grows old, does it? And of course, the lifeline of today's youth, Facebook, Google search, and some more lovely games here. But what's my favorite is this. These game emulators can actually give us the whole experience of playing the games that have almost been forgotten. Super Mario version 64. Now rings a bell, doesn't it? These are games we have grown up playing, and we can actually play these games using a proper remote control and joystick thanks to Thunderbolt 2. Now the wonderful part about this is it's got a lovely merger or a marriage between a gaming console with lovely buttons and a joystick and a touchscreen. So, I mean, what more can you ask for? And this touchscreen is pretty smooth. I mean, look at this. The transition is very nice. So in this device, you can actually do everything that you could do with your smartphone. I mean, there's email, Facebooking, you could tweet, and you could do Skyping with people and play those lovely games. Yes, you can actually download 9 lakh games free of cost from the Play Store. Wow! You know, you could actually grow old playing all those games. And yes, this device is capable of doing all that with the inbuilt 8 GB memory and the expandable 32 GB card slot. And this is powered by a dual core processor and a 1 GB RAM. So yes, you could play all those games, do everything else effortlessly and seamlessly. You can actually mirror your device to your smart TV. So the visuals of your Gaming Thunderbolt 2 will actually be displayed on your TV. Now, isn't that a wow experience? The best part about this device is that it has all the lovely features that any smartphone would have. Through 3G or Wi-Fi, you can even voice chat, video chat, and yeah, you can video chat courtesy this 2 megapixel camera here. So you can use Facebook, Skype, Twitter, everything without the harmful side effects that a phone has. Because it does not have a calling facility, you can actually give this to your child and not be worried about the harmful radiations he would have if he would have a phone in his hand instead of this. So wow, you're actually guilt-free, and your expensive tablets and smartphones are safe because he has this rock-solid device to play on, to enjoy the experience of a touchscreen and a gaming console at a meager price of 6,999 only. Now, isn't that a wonderful deal? It comes in 3 wonderful colors which are liked by boys and girls alike. For the age group of 9 to 15, this is just perfect. Come on, pause the video, go out there, buy this device for your children and give them a lovely surprise. Mitashi Thunderbolt 2, guys. Go for it.
Who says girls and gaming don't go together? My younger brother already has a Thunderbolt, and I was thrilled when my dad gifted me a Thunderbolt too. I do button and touchscreen gaming, and I also browse the internet, Facebooking, Twittering, and read my ebooks. And yes, I also click pictures. It's fantastic. And when I want the big screen experience, I connect it with my TV. And I'm in love with my Thunderbolt too. And isn't it cute?